This is Jonah. He loves God very much. One day, God spoke to him. Voice of God. Jonah, go to the city of Nineveh and tell the people to stop doing bad things.
Oh no, the people in Nineveh are mean. I don't want to go there. Instead of obeying God,
Jonah decided to run away. Oh, that's never a good idea. Jonah found a big boat going far, far away to Tarshish. He climbed on board and thought, now God won't find me. But guess what? God sees everything, even in the middle of the sea.
but suddenly the sky grew dark and the wind began to blow. God sent a big storm, the sailors were so scared. The boat was rocking side to side.
Can you rock side to side too? Hope the waves are too strong.
Pray to your gods.
But Jonah knew the storm was his fault. He said, throw me into the sea and the storm will stop.
And just like that, the wind stopped and the sea became calm again. But God didn't forget Jonah. He sent a big fish. A really big fish.
Dear God, I'm sorry I ran away. Please forgive me. I'll do what you say.
God heard Jonah's prayer and forgave him. Then the fish swam to shore and spat Jonah right out onto the sand. Jonah finally obeyed God and went to Nineveh. He told everyone, stop doing bad things. Obey God.
Oh no, we have been doing wrong things.
Let's pray to God and do what's right.
And you know what? They did. Everyone stopped doing bad things. And God was so happy. Jonah was still learning that God's love is big enough for everyone, even the people he thought didn't deserve it. Jonah, I love everyone. I want them to choose what's right.
And Jonah smiled and understood God's love is the biggest of all.
We'll learn that obeying God is always the best choice. And God's love, it's big enough for you, me, and everyone.